This little $9 bottle of new finish polish says you only need to use it once a year, and that it helps water roll right off your paint and beads. But is that really true in 2025? I'm going to show you exactly how it performs compared to a 9-month ceramic spray and a 5-year graphene coating. Two products I personally trust and use myself. We'll test water beading, how they handle a normal wash, and even how they react to a strong cleaner like what would be used in a touchless car wash. That way you can see for yourself what you're really getting before you spend $1. So first, let's prep the paint with a quick wash with a rinseless wash. No, it's not just water. It's just not a traditional sudsy soap. It's the latest technology, not requiring you to rinse your car afterwards with water. You just simply dry afterwards with a drying towel. On the right and left sides, I'm going to use an abrasive all-in-one polish that starts out as a compound that removes swirl scratches, then breaks down to a finer polish to make the surface super shiny again. A favorite of mine and a time saver. Think of compound or polish like an exfoliating face wash. It deep cleans your pores and removes dead skin, right? Same idea with your paint. It scrubs, cleans, and lightly shaves off a fine layer to make the surface look better. But it doesn't protect it. Waxes, sealants, and coatings, however, are more like sunscreen. They actually protect your paint from sun and harsh weather and make it easier to clean. Some products try to combine polish and wax to save time, but like 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner, they usually don't do either job as well. So I'm going to remove the polishing residue from the surface with the rinseless wash and then just dry it off. Alright, here's how to use new finish polish. The directions say to use a damp microfiber towel and apply the product. Pretty simple. But here's where things get weird. It says not to rub or buff it in. If this is a polish, how is it supposed to work without any agitation? Just like cleaning your face, you gotta do circular motions with the product in your hands. So yeah, this is one of those things that can really confuse beginners. Are you supposed to just slap it on and hope for the best? Unless this is just a solvent that dissolves the gunk on the surface to make it look better, this doesn't make sense to call it a polish. As a detailer, I know that applying a thin, even layer usually works best, and since this product claims water beading that lasts through 40-something car washes, it must also leave behind something synthetic. Even though it doesn't say it's a wax, sealant, coating, or an all-in-one polish and protection. So a thinner layer should bond better and it'll buff off easier too once it hazes. Now, I will say it's super easy to apply and remove. But here's the catch. This stuff will stain any black trim you accidentally touch, including rubber, which is a super outdated issue with this over 40-year-old product. That means you'll need to be more careful with application and use a separate product to protect your plastic. Otherwise, it's going to fade over time. That's a big efficiency problem, especially when most modern waxes, polishes, sealants, and coatings don't stain trim at all. Which leads us to System X Renew, a ceramic spray coating that claims over 9 months of protection and a super slick and ultra hydrophobic surface, which is basically water beading. But not all water beading is created equal, and I will show you that soon. So remember, we already polished the surface beforehand, so it's already cleaned up and we applied the product. New finish does seem to leave behind a somewhat hydrophobic surface, but compared to the ceramic spray coating directly next to it, which one is clearly beating water? I'll let you be the judge. The 5-year graphene coating was applied 2 months ago on the far left, and that's my gold standard for extreme water beating. That said, the real question is, can any of these stand up to a basic car wash? Let's find out. Now don't get confused. Not all spray protections are the same. Some only last a few weeks or until the first car wash. If you want to check out any of the products I used in this video, the links are down in the description. They are Amazon affiliate links, so if you make a purchase, I do earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. It helps support the channel and lets me keep making free content like this, so I really appreciate the support. Now you tell me, did New Finish take a hit after just one agitation wash? It sure looks like it to me. And before you say it's because I didn't let it cure, remember, the same is true for the ceramic spray coating right next to it. In fact, I didn't even follow the directions exactly. I sprayed it on an applicator, not directly on the panel, and it still held up better. Let's take it a step further. I'm going to simulate a touchless automatic car wash using an acid-based cleaner. These washes often rely on aggressive chemicals to break down dirt without physical contact, but they can also strip away weaker protection products. So let's see how New Finish holds up in the System X Renew. Polishing once a year can help you keep your paint looking fresh if you stay on top of it. but don't expect New Finish to provide serious protection or any paint correction results at all, including minor swirls. If it did, they'd probably say so. And water beading alone doesn't mean your paint's protected from the elements. If you're into all-in-one products, there are much better options for a similar price or a little more. If you like the video, hit the like button and share it with a friend that could benefit, and consider subscribing if you want to learn more about detailing. Have a great day and feel free to check out this next video.